Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove a credit card from PCEX exchange. In order to do it, first of all, you will have to come on PCEX.com. You can even follow the same steps in your PCEX application or in your mobile device with the help of a web browser. Now, once you are on PCEX exchange, you need to click on login option and then you will have to provide your email address and your password, and you simply need to log in into your PCEX account first. Now over here, if you see any of your credit cards that you have added in your PCEX account, in order to remove that, you just have to select that credit card, and right next to it you will see a remove or a delete option. So you can select that option and you are good to go. But as you can see over here, currently it is not showing me any of the credit cards in my account. So in this situation, what you can do is you can simply click on your profile icon in the top right hand corner, and now you need to click on help center. Now over here you will see a bunch of different articles that you can basically use, and you can just seek the help from these, or what you can do is you can simply contact to the customer support team at this email address, that is support@pcx.com, and you can mail them that you want to remove your credit card from your PCX account basically, and they are going to do it for you, or they are going to help you in this regard. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to this channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.